understand what cryptocurrencies are. I'm not as clear on NFTs and how they relate. Give a quick explanation of what that is. I heard BlackRock, they said, is starting an NFT. Explain what that really means and what that is.
Yeah, non-fungible token, that's what it stands for. And it's something that's a unique asset us on the blockchain. So, you have things like a dollar, for instance, right? Like a dollar is replaceable. If I give you $1 and then you lose it, and then somebody else gives you another dollar, it's not that big of a deal, right? It's not something that's gonna make or break the situation. But if that dollar has a hologram inside of it that has a picture of your child, let's say, right? Now, that's a unique asset. If you lose that dollar and I give you another dollar, that's not the same, right? You can't really replace that. So that's kind of like, with the non-fungible assets that we're going to be having on the blockchain, a lot of times people looking at it like it's just a art. And that's one way to actually, think about it is like digital art, where you see like, these bored apes and monkeys and different things like that people are paying so much money for. People can't really understand it, but there's no difference from that and somebody paying, $100 million for a Basquiat painting, really, if you really think about it. Like, what really determines art? There's no determining factor into saying that art is worth anything. It's just what people think that it's worth, and that's really what
Yeah,
most things in
yeah.
life. Really think about it: music, clothes, everything. So this is a new form of digital art, but even bigger than that, it has more real world use case scenarios where what the good thing with the blockchain is that now you can actually have something and it could be a one of one, and there's no debate if it's real or if it's the only one, things of that nature.